Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Square appointments to your WordPress website. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the official Square website and open their free appointment scheduling tool. If you already have an account, click Sign In at the top right. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Square dashboard. This is where you can manage all your settings and integrations. From the menu, click on Settings and then select App Integrations. Next, click App Marketplace to browse available connections. In the search bar, type WordPress. You'll see different integration options designed to connect Square appointments directly with your WordPress site. Choose the integration that best matches your WordPress version and business needs. Follow the setup steps carefully, which usually involve installing a plugin on your WordPress site and connecting it to your Square account. Once connected, visitors can book appointments directly from your website. So that's basically how you can add Square appointments to your WordPress website. That's it for this video. Thanks.